Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Well, in this video I will show you how you can connect Google Meet into EventIn. Here you can see the Google Meet settings in the EventIn. You have to collect the client ID and the client secret, then authorize the URL to connect the Google Meet in your system. Well, let's first of all you can have the documentation here from the EventIn. Also I will show you the step-by-step procedure with this video. Well, let's go to the Google Console, Cloud Console, and now you can see here is I have created another one, and let's create a new one. Start with a new project, give a name to your project. Well, the project has been created, and let's select the project. You can select the project from here, or let's go back, and if that notification hasn't been clicked, you can select the project from here too. Well, the project has been selected. Now we have to add the API service. Let's search for Google Calendar. Here is the Google Calendar API that we need. Let's enable the Google Calendar API. So now we need to add the credential. Let's go to the credential section. You can see the configure consent screen here, and the credential option is here. Well, let's create the credential. Is OAuth client ID. Before we do, let's configure the consent screen. Let's get started. Let's name the project. Add your supported email. Make the audience external use. Also add an email for your contact details. And then finish the process. Well, Google Cloud Console has some differentiate in the design section, and some options are hidden in the other section. So now you have to go to the audience section and publish this app. Make it confirm. Well, now we have to go to the auth section to check the process is ready. Here you can see the auth section is ready now. The audience, we have already published this app. Well, now let's go to the credentials again and create the credential. Here you can see under the API and service you can have the credentials option. Previously I have told you to create the credentials. Now we need to create that. As we have consent the auth screen, let's create the OAuth client ID. Our application is web application, and you can rename this one. I just keep it as web client 1. Then you need to add the authorized redirect URIs. Here you need to add the authorized redirect URI from the system. Just add here. And click the create button. Now your credential and client secret is ready. Just copy the client ID and paste it here. Also copy the client secret and paste it here. Before you connect the client secret, you need to save change the client ID and client secret. Saving it change. So now let's connect the authorized URI with the client ID and secret. Just click on the connect button. Select the account you have used to connect with your account. Here you can see the Google Meet has been connected. So now let's create an event with Google Meet. Select the online event and select the platform as Google Meet and hit the create button. The event created successfully. So now you can see the Google Meet platform has created a Google Meet URL for the meeting. So you have access to the event now. You can publish the event from here and make change for the details of this event. Let's create a ticket here. Well, as currently I don't have no payment method enabled, that's why this settings is warning showing me. Well, this is not the problem. We have connected our Google Meet. If I select the payment settings from here, let's enable the WooCommerce and reload the page here. You can see the warning has gone. Well, now if I preview the event, here you can see the testing Google Meet has been created and the event is also showing the tickets from here. You can also get the tickets if you need. Well, I hope you understand the full process to getting started with Google Meet, and the process I have shown you the right way. Thank you very much for your time. Welcome to EventIn.